Hello and welcome to Universal Healing. This Wednesday we're gonna work with the blood in our group healing. So we're gonna focus our energy, our intention in working with the blood. I like to see the blood as almost liquid energy. So in our work as energy healers, we can work with different levels of the energy field and different, so they feel like different types of energy, and that we can perceive, we can feel, we can see, and how they react in a different way with our different work that we do with it. And of course, the high vibration energy, it's very subtle and harder to perceive and to feel. But as much we go down the vibration of the energy in the energy field, we can perceive this energy in a stronger way with different senses. And once we reach the physical, then we can really feel how the liquids in the physical, they are almost energy, because they follow very similar ways of behaving in the body. Like the energy really likes, healthy energy likes to move, likes to vibrate, so it's very alive. A stagnant energy is not a healthy energy in the body. And the blood, it's the same. Blood wants to move, wants to go up and down and provide life, provide health, and provide all the nutrients and everything that is needed in all the parts of the body. So when there are blockages, when there is different obstacles for the blood to really move in the way that it likes to move, it's when problems arise in the circulatory system. Also, the blood, energetically speaking, holds a lot of our lineage, our family, our who we are. It's very well found it in the blood, and how we can carry conditionings from our family, and also doing energy healing or clearing the blood, we can heal whatever we are carrying from our family. And the healing is not just happening to you, it's also going back to the rest of your family, to your blood lineage. So we love working in that way, because in that way, meaning with the blood to heal things that are stopping you from really enjoying and enjoying who you are and unleashing your whole potential. So join us this Wednesday and see how it feels for you, that to put yourself in that space of receiving a healing for your blood, for everything that is related to your blood. So we are very happy to receive you and to work with you. So thank you.